Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tom, I'm a makeup artist from London. Now I've not made a haul video before, it's not something that I would normally do, but I just got back from shooting a campaign in America and I went into Sephora and picked up some products that I find it quite tricky to get in the UK. Now you might actually be able to get some of these products here, but I haven't seen them myself or I found it hard to get it shipped over. There's a couple of brands I was gutted I missed out on. The main one being One Size Beauty. I think it's Patrick Starr's line, and I just completely forgot to pick stuff up. I really wanted to try the liners, but I'm hoping that when my boyfriend goes back to America in a couple of months, he can pick it up for me. So the first brand that I wanted to try out is Makeup by Mario. I think you can get it over here, but it's actually just much cheaper to get it in the US. I think in terms of, it's the same in dollars as it is in pounds, so I did save some money on it. I went for the Master Mattes eyeshadow palette, like this. I mean, obviously I know I have a lot of these products already in my kit. However, I thought for bridal and just for ease of travel, I thought I would just get one of these so that I can have all of my sort of neutral matte shades in a tiny little palette. I've heard good things about it. I thought it would be useful for the kit. Now, I already own a million highlighters, but I did want to try this one, only because when I went in store and I swatched it, I just thought it was lovely. It's the shade Pearl. It's going to be an absolute nightmare showing you this, but I've popped it on the hand. I don't know if you can even see, but it's just a really pretty shade. It was kind of unique. It's got this kind of like oyster tone to it, and I just thought it was really, really nice. I actually don't carry a lot of powder highlighters anymore. I do tend to use creams, but I just thought that this was really finely milled. It looked really, really nice on the skin, so I thought I'd pick one up. The next product I went to pick up is the Summer Friday Lip Butter Balm. Now, I've seen this one on Hung Van Gogh's channel all the time, and I know Summer Fridays is really popular in the US, but I don't think we have it here. I really like this. I used it this morning on myself, and I'm going to be popping that in the kit. I think it's fair to say that a lot of the products I'm buying are things that I've seen other people use, and there's no difference with this brand, which is Tower 28. I actually bought colours that probably aren't suitable for me personally, but they're more for use for my kit. There's a makeup artist in New York that I know. I actually met him in Taiwan when I was travelling, and he uses these Tower 28, well, I think they're called bronzers, but they're actually kind of highlighters to me. So I bought the shade, what did I get? Best Coast and West Coast. Now these are absolutely stunning, really glossy creams, and that's just a texture that I'm absolutely obsessed with in my job. It worked really, really well on camera for the type of work that I do. So I love these shades. Obviously they're for much deeper skin tones than myself, but it's really important that my kit is well stocked. And I do find that cream highlighters for deeper skin tones, I don't know, they're often not very good. So when I saw these, I was like, yes, this is what I want. So the next product from Tower 28 is the BeachPlease in Power Hour. I think it's like a cream blush. And wow, I love this shade. It's kind of like a terracotta, but for maybe, let's say, medium or deeper skin tones. Just the amount of pigment, the depth, the warmth, I think will look so lovely. I find that a lot of colors that you get for deeper skin tones in terms of blush, they're very, very bright and colourful, and it's kind of hard to find those lovely neutral nudie shades, so this is going to be great for me. This video is going to be the quickest video I've ever filmed because I'm already on the last product. It's from Kaja, I think, K-A-J-A, and it's a little eyeshadow stack. Now I'm kicking myself for not buying more of these because I'm actually obsessed with what's in here. This particular stack is in the shade Orange Blossom, and it has these gorgeous little shimmery eyeshadows inside, and they had quite a few different colours, different shades, and also different finishes, and I just wish that I'd picked up a couple more because they're so easy and they can just sort of be chucked in the bag. These ones seem to be like glitter toppers, and I'm just going to swatch them now. I mean, really the reason that I got this stack is for that middle shade. I just think it is so unbelievably beautiful, and I was thinking, you know, oh, spring, summer, it's all coming in, and I'm shooting a lot for spring, summer, so it's like these are really, really pretty as like a punchy, glittery top coat. Maybe for some event, I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for, but I'm just kicking myself that I didn't buy more. At the time, I was just thinking, oh, Tom, you already own like a million eyeshadows. Like, why do you want to get more? But I still want more. Now, call me crazy, but that is literally all I got in America. I did look around and I was umming and ahhing over other products, but I just thought, you know, I'm someone who gets gifted a lot of makeup in my job, and I have a lot of product already, which you can see sort of behind me over here. So I didn't want to buy too many things, especially things that I might not actually end up using. So I think I definitely will make use of all of these products, and I think they're really, really beautiful. I'm going to try and record a little video tomorrow. I'm dashing out today, using some of the products, the ones that can suit my skin tone. Maybe I can make the others work for me. Let's have a go. I also want to know in the comments below, is there anything I should have got? Things that I really have missed out on? Because I will send my boyfriend to Sephora for me. When he's over in a couple of months, I'll literally be on the phone like, go over there, go get this one, go try that. So do let me know if there's anything else that I missed out on. Thanks so much for coming back. I know this was a really super quick video, but I just wanted to share with you the kind of things that a makeup artist is interested by when we're going traveling. We're looking for like lots of different bits of makeup. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hopefully I'll see you again next time. Bye guys.